Assalamu alaikum. Day 19. Welcome to Kul and our daily dua.
اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الهم والحزن، وأعوذ بك من العجز والكسل، وأعوذ بك من البخل والجبن، وأعوذ بك من غلبة الدين وقهر الرجال.
O Allah, I take refuge in you from anxiety and sorrow, and I seek refuge from weakness and laziness, and I seek refuge from miserliness and cowardice, and I seek refuge from the burden of debts and from being overpowered by men. Ameen. Repeat this dua today, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to Kul for daily supplications and reminders.